Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Expedia app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as a weak connection can prevent the app from working properly. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Expedia, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Temporary glitches can cause the app to stop functioning. Then restart your phone to refresh the system and clear background issues. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, then search for Expedia and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Now, if the issue proceeds, uninstall the app and reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. If it still does not work, the issue may be due to server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the Expedia app not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.